Hello class, this is a video tutorial on working with rates. Using a given rate, often a unitary rate, problems can be easily solved by placing information in the correct position and solve for the missing value. So let's go straight into these examples. So here we have the cost of beef mince being $12.50 per kilogram. So here is our given unitary rate. And the question becomes, how much would it cost to buy 2 kilos, 5 kilos, or 7.8 kilos? Now, what I'm about to show may seemingly overcomplicate problems for you, but it makes hard problems easier later. So for this, I always teach students to use the rate given and write it out. So it's $12.50 per 1 kilogram. Now that is the given rate. We now write this below the appropriate unit. Since it is kilograms, we write this underneath the matching unit. So we write this as 2 kilograms. And now we ask ourselves, how does 1 become 2 through multiplication? Well, we times that by 2. And since we multiplied this side by 2, we multiply the other side by 2 as well. So then we get 1250 times 2. That gets us $25. So for 2 kilograms, it costs $25. Now we do the same thing for this. Once again, we always just write down the given unit. Sorry, the given unitary rate. Let me just copy paste that here. And once again, we put the kilograms. Since it's kilograms that we've been given, we write this below the kilograms per 5 kilograms. And once again, how does 1 become 5? Well, we do that by multiplying by 5. So 1250 times 5 gets us $62.50. And we repeat the same procedure for this next one. You'll see it's 7.8 kilograms. We just place that underneath the matching unit. Then we figure out 1 to become 7.8. Well, that's just a matter of multiplying by 7.8. As you can see, that gets us $97.50. So the cost of 7.8 kilograms of mince is $97.50. Okay, so the next set of questions here. How many kilograms of beef can be bought for these amounts? Once again, we always just use, this question is continuing from the previous. So this is from here, question A, and then from here, question part B. So we're still using this unitary rate given. So we start off here, but now notice how we're given $37.50. We now write this underneath the matching unit. Since what's given here is dollars, we write it underneath the dollars. And we're figuring out this missing number here. Well, in order to figure out what the multiplying factor is, for this one, you simply work backwards and we divide. So you do $37.50 divide $12.50. So $37.50 divide the given number of $12.50. You can see it gets us that number of 3. And then from there, that's the number we multiply this by. So we get 3 kilograms as our answer. So let me demonstrate that again. Always start with the given unitary rate or given rate, and we write the given piece of information below the matching unit. So we would put $50 here. Since this time it's hard to figure out the multiplying, we work backwards and divide. So this time would be $50 divide $12.50. That gets us 4. So that's the number we multiply this by. So we get 4 kilograms. Okay, so here we go, $77.50. Same deal. We always start with a given rate, preferably a unitary rate, and we write down the given piece of information below the matching unit. So $77.50. And for this, we divide going backwards. So 77.50. That gets us 6.2. So that's the number we multiply this by. So 1 times 6.2 gets us 6.2 kilograms. All right, so I hope that's given you a quick insight into how we work rates in order to calculate missing values as part of questions. Hope to see you in the next video, and best of luck.